winter is coming or winter is already there because it's already freezing cold. I see a lot of people still doing the old things with a Tesla. Stop the old thinking. Do these 5 things and you maintain your Tesla in optimal conditions. So, to the Plavo. Hey, welcome back. Today I'm gonna try to explain to you that you have to stop thinking in the old ways because the Tesla is a brand new vehicle with a lot of opportunities and possibilities. I see a lot of people still doing the old things what you used to do with a normal gas car. Oh, but that is not necessary because you have a Tesla. Use the Tesla to your benefit. I will explain 5 things and give you a couple of tips that could be helpful. So let's get started.
The first point will be the use of winter tires, because if it's winter conditions, you need to have proper tires that can brake on time if you want to brake, because the profile is different of summer and winter tires. You need to have the mountainside on your tire. If roads look like this, you know you don't have that much traction as you used to be, and it will be slippery. And you don't want that because you want to control your car. Even if it rains, winter tires also makes braking and driving, controlling your car better. I've chosen for Continentals with sound reducing effect that makes it less noisy inside the car. So if you have conditions like that, I will prefer Continentals winter tires. If you put on new tires, always check the TMP. I use for Poppel as a garage in the Netherlands. I always go to. First tip will be tire pressures. Regularly check your tire pressures. If you need to know, on the driver's side you can see a sign where it says what the pressure should be. Go to service and there you will see your current pressure of your tires. You can also check it by moving to the right, and then you can see the tire pressures. If you press on it, you will come to the same menu. Point number 2 will be windshield wipers. You can prevent them from freezing like this to your windshield, and it is pretty easy because if you now try to defrost your car, it will take a long time for your windshield wipers to defrost. So that won't be a good thing if you use the planner. We come to that later. Just easy, press service mode on windshield wipers and they will move up. That means if you defrost your car, then your windshield wipers will also be defrosting. Then if you want to drive away, it's pretty easy. Just start your car or press your foot pedal, and then you select drive or reverse, and your windshield wipers will go to the basic place that should be. Tip is replenish your windshield washer liquid. I had some in the oh fuck, my kid, he just scares the hell out of me. So we go to the front and oh, not another one. Okay, now we have in the front, then we open it and just pour gently like I do without spilling a drop like I do. And because if you pour it next to it, it's a waste. Don't do it because I don't. Use the planning tool because if you want to have the car nice and warm and defrosted, this is the way to go. Go to settings, go to planning, and then you can set manual which time you want the car to defrost or be warm. Mine is regularly a 7:15, but you can do it, plan it for every day. You can also use the app, same thing. And I wanted to tell you more about that because if you like this video, like it and subscribe to the channel. If you watch it by telly, just scan the QR code. It will help me a lot. If you don't use the planning tool, you will have a car like a popsicle or an ice cream. But if you use the planning tool, it will defrost and it will help you. However, if you have a lot of snow on it, and that's a tip, help cleaning it up. I always have this wiper inside the car and that it will help you clear out most of the snow. Point 4 will be mirrors. As you know, If you close your car, the mirrors will fold inside, and if you open it, it will fold outside. However, in snow conditions, they may freeze or they will be hampered by with a lot of snow, and then your motor inside will go kaput. You can prevent that. Just go to your mirror and then select or deselect that they will fold in. So that means if you close it, you will see a blink. However, your mirrors will stay open. During winter time, there's a chance of low-hanging sun that will blind you while driving. That is easy to prevent because Tesla provides you with sun visors if you buy a Tesla. If the sun is in front, you can use them. However, if the sun is from the side, you can also still use them because you can fold them to the left or to the right. The other option you can buy, and that will be sunglasses. Yeah, you can put them in the car, then you have them always with you, and then you can put them on if need be. Furthermore, if you wear glasses like this, you can say, "I'll be back." The other tip I will give is regenerative braking, because if you have weather condition like this, you never know it's black ice. So don't use your normal regenerative braking, but if you think is a chance on black ice, then use a different setting, because then it will brake more slowly and still provide you with energy back inside your car. Especially in the morning when there are a lot of people have driven, you know for sure it will be slippery, and if you brake, then you don't control your car. Just go to dynamics, put on a low, and then if you drive, you still regen. However, it goes a little bit slowly and you don't stand still as quickly. Driving a Tesla in the winter conditions can make it look like this, because all the salt and dirt that lays on the road that gets stuck to the car. A car like a Tesla doesn't like salt, because salt and metal doesn't work good together, and everything that goes up also blocks your rear view camera, and I don't like that.
If your car look like this, be clever, clean him, because you want to protect your car. In this video, I will explain you how I clean the Tesla. However, if it's too cold, maybe the wash places are closed, then it's not possible. However, if it's possible, don't let your car look like this. See you next time.
Here we have some pictures of the Tesla Plavo in winter conditions. Just enjoy it while it lasts, because I love the Plavo.